Air travel is evolving rapidly, and older travelers are encountering new screening systems, digital verification, stricter gate enforcement, and changing airline procedures that can reshape the airport experience. Many travelers over 70 still expect familiar processes, but today's airports rely heavily on automation and precise documentation. Small mistakes that once went unnoticed can now cause delays, extra screening, or even denied boarding. This video explains the most important airport changes affecting senior travelers in 2026, including updated documentation expectations, new assistance procedures, baggage enforcement, boarding changes, and critical mistakes to avoid before arriving at the airport. Watch carefully from start to finish to understand what's changing, why it matters, and how to stay prepared for your next trip. Like this video and subscribe to stay updated on travel rules that could affect future flights. Number 10. Digital ID checks. Airports are expanding digital identity verification, and many seniors are surprised when physical documents alone no longer guarantee a smooth experience. Biometric screening now compares boarding passes, ID documents, and facial recognition scans at once. Travelers unfamiliar with digital kiosks or carrying outdated identification may face delays or additional questioning. Airlines increasingly require passenger information to match reservations exactly, including full legal names and birth dates. Minor discrepancies can trigger secondary screening. Paper boarding passes without matching digital records may require extra verification before security. Staff may request confirmation emails or additional identification if digital systems cannot verify traveler data. Automated systems also monitor travel history to reduce fraud, meaning unusual booking patterns can trigger manual reviews. While not aimed specifically at seniors, travelers less comfortable with digital travel platforms may find the process confusing without preparation. Number 9. Medical device rules. Medical equipment screening is becoming more detailed as security technology advances. Travelers carrying mobility aids, oxygen devices, hearing equipment, or specialized tools must clearly declare them during check-in. Some airlines require advance notice to confirm onboard compatibility with safety regulations. Security staff may perform additional swab tests or inspections of assistive devices. Battery-powered medical equipment receives extra scrutiny due to fire safety rules, and some airlines require manufacturer labels or documentation. Passengers carrying liquid medications may need prescriptions or medical necessity letters, especially for larger quantities. Travelers unfamiliar with these procedures may be surprised when wearable devices need to be temporarily removed for scanning. Failure to notify airlines about complex medical needs ahead of time can lead to delays or denied boarding if safety requirements cannot be confirmed. Number 8. Assistance booking. Mobility assistance is increasingly managed through digital reservation systems rather than last-minute airport requests. Wheelchair services, electric carts, and boarding help often require advance booking. Seniors who expect immediate assistance without prior arrangements may face long waits or limited availability. Some airports now require confirmation numbers before providing mobility support, and airlines prioritize passengers who request assistance during ticket purchase. Gate agents are enforcing stricter boarding timelines for travelers requiring help, meaning earlier arrival is essential. Self-service kiosks are also being introduced to manage assistance requests. Travelers unfamiliar with these systems may feel rushed if they arrive without prior planning or digital confirmation. Number 7. Baggage enforcement. Carry-on and checked baggage rules are being enforced more strictly in 2026. Automated scanners now measure bag size and weight before travelers reach check-in counters, leaving little room for negotiation. Oversized bags are flagged instantly, and informal exceptions once given to older passengers are becoming rare. Assistive devices must often be clearly separated from standard luggage to avoid confusion during screening. Airlines are also limiting personal items in the cabin, which may affect travelers carrying comfort items or medications. Passengers unable to lift heavy bags into overhead bins may be required to check luggage at the gate, sometimes with added fees. With less staff discretion, seniors must follow baggage limits carefully before arriving at the airport. Number 6. Boarding changes. Airlines are moving away from age-based boarding priority and focusing instead on mobility needs, ticket class, and pre-registered assistance. Seniors expecting automatic early boarding may be required to show documented assistance requirements. Digital boarding groups are now strictly enforced, and travelers boarding outside their assigned group may be asked to wait. Seating changes at the gate are becoming less common, meaning passengers should select preferred seats during booking. Automated boarding systems monitor passenger flow digitally, and fast-paced boarding calls can feel overwhelming for travelers unfamiliar with smartphone passes or digital notifications. Number 5. Health declarations. Many airlines are expanding health declaration procedures, particularly on long-haul routes. Travelers may need to confirm mobility status, recent medical conditions, and ability to travel independently during online check-in. Some airlines ask passengers to confirm they can walk short distances during emergency evacuations. Staff may request medical clearance letters if travelers appear unwell or have significant mobility challenges without prior arrangements. Failure to complete required digital health forms before arriving at the airport can lead to delays or denied boarding if systems cannot confirm travel readiness. Number 4. Advanced screening. New security scanners are more sensitive and may trigger additional checks for joint replacements, implants, layered clothing, or medical accessories. Seniors carrying multiple medications or wearable health devices may experience longer screening times. Shoes, belts, jackets, and certain accessories may need to be removed more frequently. Random secondary screenings are expanding to maintain consistent security standards. Passengers declining certain screening methods may undergo alternative procedures requiring extra time and privacy screening areas, increasing overall wait times during busy travel periods. Number 3. Connection rules. Airlines are tightening minimum connection times as airport operations become more automated. Short layovers may no longer be practical for travelers requiring assistance or longer walking times between gates. Large terminals and frequent gate changes mean travelers must monitor digital notifications closely. Seniors who miss connections may face longer rebooking waits if flights are full, or assistance needs were not pre-registered. Travelers using separate tickets rather than a single itinerary may lose connection protection, leading to additional costs if delays occur. Number 2. Digital updates. Only many airports are reducing loudspeaker announcements and shifting to app notifications, airport screens, and text alerts. Travelers relying solely on verbal announcements may miss important updates. Self-service kiosks are increasingly required for check-in, bag tagging, and seat confirmation. Airlines are also sending essential instructions digitally instead of providing printed handouts. Seniors unfamiliar with mobile boarding passes or digital notifications may experience stress during fast-moving gate changes and boarding calls if they are not actively monitoring updates. Number 1. Strict gate cutoffs. Airlines are enforcing earlier boarding cutoffs to improve on-time departures. Automated gate scanners close boarding electronically, and passengers not scanned before cutoff times may be denied boarding, even if they are nearby. Boarding doors may close 15 to 20 minutes before scheduled departure. Travelers who rely on older habits like arriving at the gate shortly before departure may miss flights under new policies. Seniors needing extra time for mobility, medications, or restroom visits must plan carefully to avoid last-minute stress or costly rebooking situations. Final travel tips for seniors. Air travel is entering a new era of automation, digital verification, and stricter enforcement. Travelers over 70 can still explore the world confidently, but preparation and awareness are more important than ever. Understanding new airport systems, booking assistance early, following baggage rules, and staying alert to digital updates can help prevent delays and denied boarding. The changes covered in this video reflect a broader shift toward faster, more structured travel systems, with less flexibility for last-minute adjustments. Share this video with friends or family members planning to travel soon, especially older travelers who may not yet realize how much airports are changing in 2026. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep traveling with confidence. Subscribe for more travel updates, airport rule changes, and essential tips designed to make every future trip smoother and stress-free.